What's up, guys? It's Ramon from NyneBlockGaming&Collectibles, and this isn't necessarily a review. I'm just showing, if you guys saw with the reissue of the Son Goku Legendary Super Saiyan figure, they fixed some issues. Now, if you're like me, and you wanted to do some customs or different head sculpts, you already have a lot of these guys, like I do. See, here's one. There's one that's still in the box. So, what can we do to fix like the ab issue? Which is right there. You can see how the abs come out over because the peg's sitting down too low. Well, what you can do is you can get these pegs from Affm Customs. Adrian Fair Customs. He's on the S.h.figuarts group, and he also not only makes those, he makes these awesome things. I think they work both for Gohan, Superhero Gohan, and Goku here. So if I pull this off, you see this white peg. Now the head sits up properly. It doesn't look like he has no neck at all. This guy, see, no neck, chin's almost touching his so that is what you can do to fix the ones you currently have. If you're just going to pick up a reissue, it looks like they changed both peg sizes, and see how there's some slight discoloration between this flexible ab piece here and the chest. From what I've saw, they fixed that issue, but if you don't have like bright lighting on it, you can't even tell. So I will show you quickly while I put the camera down, since I don't have it on a stand, how easily these guys are interchangeable. My first time actually reattaching it to legs. And it does take some force. But there it is. Look at that abdomen. Look at that abdomen. Much better with this one. Neck. Much better with this one. Now, one thing I will note is the torso seems to be a little loose now with that torso peg. Let me check. I'll show you the yeah, I think I might end up changing it out. The other ones I have here are very tight. But this is the 3D custom print peg. Maybe the screw broke from the force applied to peg it in. You can see there is some shavings. I think that's just from the 3D printer. But those are it. I'm going to link his eBay, and that's where you're going to pick these things up for in this video, in the comments. So just check that out if you want to do what I showed you on this video. It's very simple, and you shouldn't have any problem doing it. Alright, guys, see ya.
I'm up on the 9 block where the gamers flock. Action figures and collectibles, we're the top stock. Marvel, DC, but DBZ is the main squeeze. Magic the Gathering, bringing you the ease. Card packs opening, reviews so tight. D9 dice gaming under the bright light. 9 block, the channel you gotta see. Gaming and collectibles, we're the key. So hit that subscribe, join the crew. 9 block gaming, we're coming through. Action figures, card games, we do it all on 9 block channel. We stand tall.